how to add Instagram posts section on your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now go to the top here, click on add and click section to page right here as you can see. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here, go down until you find the Instagram post, click on it and click on this. Now wait a few seconds at when this feature will be added to your website homepage. As you can see, now it's here, it's ready, and you can change its place. Now all what you have to do is click settings and connect your Instagram so your posts will be shown here on your website page. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.